Today I'm plan to talk about word resilience. Resilience means withstand adversities and bounce back from tough situations or events. Being resilient doesn't mean that person doesn't experience emotion, stress, uh, pain during his bad situations. When the person has gone through tough situations or bad events, that person get back from those tough difficulty situation and lead his life normally, where resilience involves that person to work through stress emotion. Uh, when uh, when person during his lifetime, he may get he may experience good things and bad things, because life is not always same. We can't expect always good things. Sometimes we may get good, sometimes we may uh, get through tough situations, bad situations. But it helps. Resilience means tough. We bounce back from tough situation and able to live normally. That is resilience. uh, Tough, become regain, recover from bad situation, bad events. That is what it means, resilience. And one more thing where we can use this word is objects or materials, like after bending, compressing, stretching, it regain its shape. It get back to its normal shape. That is where we can use this word resilient. Material objects being bent, that again it gets its normal shape. That is where we can use this word resilience, resilient. uh, yeah, I hope you understand this word resilience. Yeah, thank you.